we are in the premises of the Dallas International Airport. Here, resume is going on. Cars are racing to Dallas Airport, Washington DC. This is the Dallas Airport terminal. You see the terminal of the Dallas Airport, Washington DC.